Let's go back to this little template that we have earlier prepared. Okay, I just want to share with you next on how we can prepare our plotting in model space. Okay, so inside, we earlier mentioned you can also do your printing or plotting using model space as well. Okay, so all we need to do is simply type in Control P. And what is nice about using this particular template is there are a variety of page setups predefined for you already. Okay, now that we know that we are going to use, for example, an A3 size, all right, we can simply select A3 size here. Okay, and it uses certain plot style table or pen assignments table here, which is this SPBW standard A3 size. All right. So once we have this one, I know I'm going to print it in A3 size. So I'm simply going to just select A3. All right. And I'll click on window selection here. So we don't need to tweak the rest of these items here, like, you know, paper size that we need to be worrying about. So we don't tweak any of these things. So we'll just click on window and select the window area we want to plot. And we can just do a quick fit to paper first to establish the paper size. And then we uncheck it and make this accurate. So I know that I'm going to print 1:20. So I'm just going to key in 20. And I'm going to do a preview now to make sure things are in order. So I'm going to look at this and zoom in. You'll notice that now the symbols are set up properly, the dimensions, styles, and sizes are set up properly. The pen weights are all, the line weights are all set up nicely and properly as well here. Okay, and then we can begin to print this properly. Okay, so once all these things are done and it will center the plot nicely for you, we can click on add to save this selection. Okay, so we can click on add here and I can call it, let's say, 01-furniture layout plan, so that I don't have to reset this whole thing up the next time round. All right, so once this is done, I can click OK and it will plot to the required template I want. So let's say I need this drawing as A1 01, right? A3 furniture layout plan. So I will save this, and when it is done, I can be very, very certain that this drawing will be printed fully, accurately at, it will be very, very accurately printed at A3 size full bleed. So how do we know this will be full bleed? We will be very certain here that this will be a 5 mm gap down here, 5 mm gap, 5 mm gap, and 10 mm gap here at this point. Okay, down here. So yeah, that's how we can plot in model space.